Welcome back to another video. Today we have the Atlas 80 volt push or brushless 21-inch cordless mower. It's the 80 volt lithium, 4 times power. We got two only. This is the push mower. I know that we have at Harbor Freight there's a push mower and a self-propelled. This is just the push mower. This is just the basic, the cheaper version of that. So don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell if you want to help out the channel so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. Item number 56998. Like I said, this is the push mower. So let's go ahead and unbox it. So this is, by the way, this is a used model. This is a return, an open box item. So it's not going to be in the original packaging. However, from the looks, it looks brand new. Looks like they just mowed maybe a small area just to test it out. But it looks basically brand new. It's all clean. You guys see there, you got the instructions here. Set this aside. It's easier if I just tilt this on the side. And then just unbox it like that. As you guys know or look, it's basically brand new. See how clean it is? You guys saw the bottom, it was fairly. Now that's the discharge. That's the discharge, the side discharge. And right here you got Atlas 21-inch mower. It tells you the directions right there. That's the back part. Here's the side discharge. The mounts, I would say like so. Like that. Yeah, so we're actually missing one piece. We are missing the mulch. This part that goes in there, that's one piece that I can't find. So we're just going to be using the bag and the side discharge. So I'm not going to be using the mulch, so we're just going to be using this. And then again, this is the arm. Alright, we got the battery compartment. As you guys see there, it is spring. It has a small spring here. Just to let you guys know, it does have a spring, so if you let go, it's gonna shut. This is where the battery goes on the bottom, so it's a dual battery compartment. So you can run 1 or 2. And this is the safety key, I guess. You have children. And you don't want them messing with this mower, you can lock that up. Let's see here, nothing on the front. Nothing on the front. Got 80 volt there. Looks like these are the ones that are gonna lock the arm. And then it says here, it says to start, press and hold power switch. Hold bar control bar against handle, release power switch. Hold this and then just hold that. It's one lever. It levels the 4 wheels at once. So pretty much that's what we have. So basically on these, all you have to do is just turn them like so. That's the way they latch on. Alright, and these are the adjustable for the height. So it is adjustable, the high, low, and medium and low. So I'm just gonna put it at the medium here, see how it works. So basically you take the battery, so you guys see there, it's 2.5 amp hour, 80 volts, or a 40 volts, 5 amp hour battery. You stick it in there, you can read that full charge, that 4 bars. Now we'll take it outside. My yard is super dirty. We did have a monsoon yesterday, so we have a lot of leaves, a lot of branches, a lot of everything just laying all over the place. So that's why my yard is so dirty. But yeah, that's one thing we can test out on this mower, see if it'll pick up all the leaves and debris and clean the yard, basically pick up everything like a regular lawnmower should do. So as you guys can see there, it's working pretty good. It's picking up some of the stuff. I understand that there's way too many leaves and trash here that it's impossible to pick every single one of them. But overall, I think it's doing a great job, as you guys see there. And this mower, it does have, like, the bag fills all the way up. That's one thing I like about this mower. My previous mower, gas mower, did not fill all the way up, and it started clogging up, and started leaving trash behind. This one doesn't. This one will fill the whole bag all the way to the top before you start. Obviously it's not gonna pick the limes because their limes are smaller and heavier, and they sink all the way down to the grass. So that's normal. My other lawnmower did not pick those up either, so that's normal. But the leaves, the bigger trash, it does pick them up pretty good. I gotta say, this mower is a little lighter than a regular gas mower. This mower actually weighs about, I would say, about 20 or 30 pounds less than a regular mower. It's still pretty heavy, don't get me wrong, it's still pretty heavy. Really easy to push though, really easy to push. And as you guys see there, that's a higher grass area right there. Like I said, my mower, or I haven't told you guys, but my mower did break, and it was about a month since I mowed this lawn. So yeah, and then we had that storm, so it made my house, basically trashed my whole house with leaves from the neighbor, and that's pretty much what happened. So as you guys could see right there, what's working really good. It's really quiet. I was surprised at how quiet this thing was. You could just hear the leaves and the grass in the mower itself. Before, on the other one, all you used to hear is just the engine pretty much going off and nothing else. But on this one, all you hear is the leaves and stuff just breaking and going into the bag, basically. All the details, basically. And that's the way it sounds when you turn it off and when you turn it on. When you turn it on, just push the button, and then just the lever and the handle on the lever, just squeeze it and bring it together with the other one, and it turns on. And then you just let go of the button there. Pretty simple to operate. This is a great tool for kids, or for older kids in their teens and stuff like that, so they can help around the house, even for the ladies out there that like to do their own yard work. As you guys could see, that was a really dirty grass area, and it pretty much cleaned everything up. Like I said, we had a big storm yesterday. You got bags, you got cups, Circle K cups, all kinds of stuff from the neighbors and from everybody that throws their trash all over the place. does have a variable speed. So as the grass gets thicker and bigger or whatnot, the mower will increase the speed of the the RPM or whatnot. And so when it's not under a heavy load, the mower will not accelerate, so it will decelerate to save battery, which I understand. It's operated by a battery, and you gotta save battery too. But yeah, when it ran on the lower RPM, it did not pick up that well the leaves, so I would say that's one con that about this mower. However, it's very minimal. It just left a few small leaves or few small pieces there, but overall I gotta say it's a great mower. It does pick up most of the trash, as you guys saw there, most of the leaves and debris that was random debris that was there. If you guys have any questions, leave me down in the comments. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell if you guys want to help out the channel, so we can buy more tools, make more tool review videos like this. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.